Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, we're back again with another SEO tip and to help you get those fantastic sales and amazing passive income, guys. This is the one. Listen to this one, guys. It's fantastic, guys. And don't forget, check out my playlist after this video on all tips to help you get those sales and that ranking up there, guys. But do check this one out, guys. This is amazing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be talking about how to beat the Etsy algorithm. Now, especially as a newbie, how to actually beat it. And this is the way to do it. Now, before I get going with this video, as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, you love selling, you love all of that great stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash it, smash that notification bell. And another thing is share it with everyone, guys. Make sure people can get to see this video and hopefully help them to get those sales and that ranking. So without further ado, let's get going with this. Now, if I was to start Etsy again, this is what I would do. If I was to start right now and I wanted to get myself out there, get myself getting selling, this is how I would start, guys. And I'll explain it. This seller is a good seller anyway. They do really well, but they have fantastic ideas. They're smart, right? And it's all about, especially at the beginning, getting yourself out there, right? Getting yourself seen. Now, think about this. If you've got lots of, if you're out there, right? Whether it be lots of listings, whatever it is, you're trying to build up your impressions out on the Etsy marketplace. Your impressions will increase the more you've got things out there. But if you want to make your life easy, the best and the simplest way to do this is to use one single design that you can create on MIDJOURNEY. And like I said, check out the playlist. You can actually create a design like, look at this one. Let me just explain this. This is just fantastic. I love this because it works. Right. So they've chosen to design a sunflower design. And if you've seen my videos, you'll know that, look, I like to stick to designs that sell. It's not about what I like. It's a bonus if I like a design, but it's more about what the customer wants, what the customer likes, what they're willing to pay for, what they want, right? So I create designs for people because they like it and they'll buy it. That's what you have to think about. Sunflowers sell. People like sunflowers. It's popular. Great. But look at this, the smart thing that this seller is doing. They're using this one single design, the same design on different products. Okay, check this out, right? Here's the bundle. This is called a mega bundle of 20 plus templates with mock-ups included, easy, right? They are selling, and you see my videos. They've got tumbler wrap designs, right? There it is. 40-ounce handle tumbler wraps. They got teardrop earring designs. So they got the template designs, sunflowers that can go on earrings, right? Car air freshener, kids sippy, right? More, guys. Look, Libby can, 11 and 15 ounce, 2 options of mug wrap sizes, 30-ounce tumbler, 12-ounce kids flip bottle. Oh my God. The same design. Look at this. Look at these coasters and all sorts. Tags. What's this one? Look, it's a crazy list. The list is the craziest list I've seen. It's the biggest bundle I've seen, right? Wind spinner. Straight key ring fob. Sanitizer keyring. Mouse pad. Look, there's more. Look, phone cover. My God. They're absolutely smashing it. There's more. Neoprene can cooler. Short hard can. Tall can cooler. Dog tags. Oh my God. This is endless, man. Oh my God. Pen wraps. 20-ounce tumbler wrap. Universal phone case. This is crazy. This is a mad. They're all the same design. Now, check it out. So let's say you got a store and you're selling this one design and you got template wraps for all of these things, right? Downloadable. Look, it's a PDF downloadable thing, right? They're all on there. Look at this. They're all there. They're all there. Check it out. They're all on there, right? The list is long. Look at that list in the description. It's so long. Check it out. But it's one design. You don't have to create. You don't have to create so many designs. That's how I would do it. So I would do this. I would set it as bundles, like a bundle, and I would sell them as also separate listings. That way, you are out there in Etsy on so many different products, but yet it's only one design. This won't take long to create. This, you can even get these templates, and you can get, like I said, check out my videos, guys. I show you very quickly. You can even buy these templates on Etsy. You can buy them on Etsy, like maybe $1 each, and actually get these. Just one design. It's only one design. You don't even have to create many designs. Just one design that you feel like is popular, that people like, that people search for, that people actually buy, and you can create a bundle that will go on all of these different products. Because look, guys, fact is, if someone likes sunflowers, they're gonna like it for, they just like sunflowers. So they might like it for wall art, they might like it for a Libby can, like it for a mouse mat. They'll buy the bundle anyway because they like the design. It makes a lot of sense. So if I was to start right now, this is what I would do. I would go for this. I would create a design and have templates for all these different products. I'd have it as a bundle, but I'd personally also have it as separate listings. So people have a choice if they want to buy separately. And what the separate listings will do, it will put you out on Etsy because more listings, and the thing about this, it'll be easy for you to do. It won't be so difficult because it's one design. You won't have to stress yourself with creating all these different designs for different products and it gets too much. Start with one design. Just do one design, have a bundle, have separate products to sell listings for that one design as well. Get some really nice pictures, fantastic images, great mock-ups, and this is where you will start to be seen out on Etsy more because you'll be out there for many different things. And what you have to do, guys, you have to remember, look, if it's a straight decision between you and someone else, then someone else is going to get the sales because if they got the reviews, you have to make sure that you also start getting those reviews quickly, right? Quickly, because as soon as you're out there, get your review, friends, family to check out your listing, really push. Get your sales up there, go really, really cheap at the beginning. Get your sales up there, okay? It's very, very important. See, people are starting to do these bundles. I'll show you another one, guys. This is a bundle. I mean, there's a few schools of thought. Some people say do a bundle of just the one type of product, but with different designs. That's a bit, I mean, that is another way of doing it. I'll be honest. I would do that also as well, but I'll do that later. My preference would be to have one design on different products, because if you do different designs on one product, that's just one product. Where you do different products, you'll be seen more. I hope that makes sense. You'll be seen more. You'll get an opportunity to sell. And also, guys, I've got another reason why I would do that, because there's more to this. It's not as simple as that. Now, let me just go back to that listing, right? Let me just go back to that listing for a second. So let me just explain something. So going back to this listing, the thing about this is what you'll find is when you go out on Etsy, you may find that maybe, let's say, a wind spinner is selling, right? Let's say a wind spinner is selling. Listen to this. This is really key. Let's say a wind spinner is selling and it's getting really popular, and you're finding that you're getting more sales of wind spinners than maybe tumbler wraps, right? Let's just say of your design that you've created. So what do? Well, then you start doubling down. The best sellers, what they do is they look and see what is working, and then they expand on it. So what I would then do is, if I see maybe my wind spinners are selling more than anything else, I'll start creating other designs for wind spinners, right? I would go and I'll start other designs for wind spinners because I can see it's working. And then I might create something like this. I'll do a bundle of wind spinners because it looks like, for my store, they like wind spinners. For whatever reason it is, sometimes it goes that way. It might be tumbler wraps, it might be phone case design, whatever it is, people might be gravitating for that product. And then what you need to do, you need to double down. So what you do is you do lots of designs then for that product, because you're going to start getting those reviews, you'll start getting those sales. And what you might do is you still might be more focused on that product because it seems to be working and selling. It happens that way, you know. So then you do a bundle of wind spinners, maybe like this one, and then you might start thinking about specific designs that are selling. So it might be, in this case, this is a 3D floral pattern wind spinner. It's a 3D style, which you can do in MIDJOURNEY as well, and I've done a video on it, so you do check it out on my in my playlists. So yeah, it might be that people might be gravitating towards a 3D style, because 3D, by the way, is popular on many products. So for example, the 3D design could be a tumbler wrap, could be a mouse mat, could be a phone case. Like I said, people sometimes they like a specific design and they would like it for many different products. So when you see something working from your bundle, let's say that you've created, let's say you've created that bundle and then you see that the wind spinners are working really well, then you might double down and start creating a bundle of design just specifically for wind spinners. Or it might be a case of they like the Libby cans, or it might be a case of they like the mug designs, or it might be the tumblers. Whatever it is, you have to work with it, right? The thing about Etsy, it's an ever moving thing. It's a marketplace, it's customers. So you move with it. So for example, things are seasonal. People know that in the Etsy game, that Q4, can be quite popular with a lot of sales in Q4, right? People know that when it's, that Christmas time, Halloween time, you start gearing towards that. So you might start creating more tumblers with a Halloween theme to it. Or when Christmas happens, you might do Christmas wrap designs. What I'm saying is you cannot stay still. You keep moving with it. But the key is you start building. So you start getting your reviews. You start working on this. As soon as you get those reviews, that is when you will start visibly being seen as everybody else, right? As everybody else. This is what I'm saying. So when I look at the screen now, I look at stars, right? If I see a gap of stars, I'm not going to go for it. When I see a gap of stars, I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to click on it. You know why? Because they're new. And I'll be like, they've got no history. Can I trust them? There's a trust issue instantly. So what I'm saying is get your reviews quickly. And how you get it is get it cheaper. Make sure you're cheaper than anybody. Look, you're as a newbie, you have to go much cheaper than anybody. Have a bigger bundle. I've said it before in my other videos. And you have to push yourself out there. Get your socials working. Get people looking and seeing what you're doing. Talk to friends, family, everybody, so that they can see what you're doing and hopefully get eyes on your listing, guys. Because the more clicks you get, the more the algorithm picks up on clicks too. You have to kickstart your design and your listing. But guys, like I said, when I look at a screen, when I look at this first page, all of these first page products, look, now all these products at the minute have stars, right? So they're all equal in a way. But then when you look in a little bit further, you might start seeing numbers. Then I'll start looking at the numbers. Oh, and then I'll actually go for the ones maybe that have a higher amount of reviews. That's quite natural. That's what everybody kind of really does, because it's a trust thing. You will trust something that has more reviews than one has less. It's natural. And this is why, look at this top line. Look at this top line. This is why usually, not all the time, but usually, see this top line on page 2? They're all ads. Now this top line, you will see that this first one has 356. There's reviews there. This one's got 1.2, so they're established, quite established. This one's got 26. This one's got 58. The ones with low reviews are trying to get ads, and ads is they're doing ads so that they can get those clicks and they can get those sales. They're trying to speed up the process. They're trying to give it like that injection, that boost, so that they can get those reviews and sales, because they know that the algorithm loves and favors sales. But guys, really, this whole video was about understanding about one design for different products, which I think is a fantastic idea that you should definitely consider. And guys, as usual, do check out my playlist on all the SEO tips I've got. Do check out all the links in my description with EVERBEE, the SEO software that I use for product analytics and research. And remember, as usual, if you did like the video and you found some value, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and please do share it if you like. Take care. See you on the next one.